In this video, we're going to take a look at apps that pay you PayPal money. Now take a look at these payments that I've received just by using these apps. If you want to find out how this works, then you're on the right video. I will show you exactly what to do step by step. So keep watching and we're starting right now. And welcome back to another video on the channel. I appreciate you being here, but before we actually start with this, I just want to show you what this method is actually about so that you can get an understanding of what you can actually do with this. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 apps that pay you PayPal money. These are available in lots of countries. It's very easy to do, and almost all of them pay out in PayPal money, real PayPal money. They will send your money directly into your account. So no gift cards, no points, or whatever. You're going to get real cold cash. Now that's kind of what this method is about. So if you're interested in that, I would recommend you keep watching this video. Now let's just get into this. And by the way, this is going to be kind of like a different approach than usual. If you watch my videos on a regular basis, you know that most of the times I just visit the website from these apps. But in this video, we're going to do it different. So I'm on Google right now, but I actually prepared this video and I found this website right here. It's called dollarsprout.com/money-making-apps. So this is kind of like a very good website in my opinion. I'll leave a link to this website in the comment section. Make sure you visit that after watching this video. But as you can see right there, if I click on make money, you can actually choose between different ways on how you want to make money. So you can click on this, make $100 fast. You can choose online jobs or passive income ideas. But if I scroll down, you can see other money making ideas, right? So money making apps, paid online surveys, make money online, work from home jobs, free gift cards, or you can also start a blog. Well, in this video, we're going to take a look at apps that pay. So obviously, I'm just going to click on this money making apps. And then as you can see right there, we're going to take a look at a lot of money making apps for your smartphone or mobile device. This is actually updated 2 days ago, the 5th of August in 2019. So it's very up to date. Now, if I just scroll down, we're going to check out what this is actually about, right? This person has pretty much made this like blog post about a lot of different apps that pay you to make money online. So first of all, they just give you an introduction about how this works, why it's possible and stuff like that. But let me just skip this part. You can read that yourself basically. But let's take a look at this. Whether it's money deposited directly into your PayPal account, a gift card to your favorite retailer, or cashback on all of your purchases, companies are eager to get new app users and they are willing to pay you. That's exactly what we're going to find out in this video. Now, if I scroll down even further, you can actually see right there the best money making apps for 2019. Now, this list of best apps to make money is broken down into the following categories. So there are money making survey apps, cashback and receipt scanning apps, apps that pay you for simple tasks, and best apps for selling stuff. So in this video, we're going to take a look at all of these. And honestly, I'm pretty sure that one of these apps will actually be suitable for you because there are going to be a ton of apps and they will be in these categories, right? So let me just scroll down once again, and then we're just going to check out some apps. As you can see right there, a lot of apps are on this website. Now, let me just get back to the first app. You might have already seen that one. And let's see, where is it? Right there. The best app, or like the first app they're starting with, is called Swagbucks. Now you can actually get a $10 sign up bonus if you sign up by using this website. So once again, make sure you click at the link in the comment section after watching this video and you can actually get a ton of bonuses, right? So without a doubt, one of the best making money apps out there, Swagbucks allows you to earn extra money in 6 different ways. Plus, you can get a free $10 just for signing up. If you want to get that $10 bonus, all you need to do is click right there. Then it's going to take you to the sign up page, I guess. Yep, there we go, Swagbucks. And then you can sign up right here and get your bonus. Now that's pretty much how easy it is to get your bonus. But let's see if we can find some more information. So as you can see right there, there is no reason you can't boost your income by at least $100 each month. So this app has an A+ rating with the BBB and over 166 million paid to members to date. There is no reason not to try one of the highest paying apps out there. So that's kind of like the first app I wanted to show you. It's called Swagbucks. By the way, I'll probably make a list of all of these apps that I'm about to show you in the description. So if you just want to check them out and download them straight away, you can also check that out. Now let's get into the second app. And by the way, if you want to check the reviews about these apps, you can pretty much click right there. Now the second app is called MyPoints. Now once again, you will get a $10 sign up bonus. So $10 for a few minutes of your time. MyPoints is one of those money making apps that bribes users to sign up by offering 10 cash for new users. So you will get $10 in cash if you are a new user, right? But that's not where it ends. By installing the app and using on a regular basis, users accumulate points that they can exchange for cash, gift cards, or physical gifts. It's basically a reward program for your phone, and that's exactly how you should look at it. Now this is very important. These money making apps are not get rich quick schemes. So if you're watching this video right now, don't expect to make hundreds of dollars or even thousands of dollars. This is just to make a few dollars on the side, right? Their purpose is to add a few bucks to your bottom line each month by doing these things that you're already doing, right? Like once again, that's the concept of this video as well. I just want to show you apps that pretty much do exactly what they are saying right there. Now, I usually manage to earn just under $50 in gift cards each month, and it's PayPal all the way for him. So he will get paid around $50 each month into his PayPal account, just like he's saying right there, PayPal all the way for me. So he's not cashing out on like different gift cards, but he's actually using PayPal, which is pretty awesome. Now that's $600 a year. So that's pretty decent, right? $600 a year just by this app. That's $600 a year I save by letting my phone roll through videos and mindlessly completing surveys while I watch TV. So he's even doing this while watching TV. That's pretty cool, right? Think of what you could do with an extra $600. Now, once again, if you want to sign up, you can do it right there. And by the way, I'm not affiliated with this website. I just thought that this is a great blog post or website, whatever you want to call it. And that's why I thought I'd just show you. But once again, if you can click right there and then you will get that sign up bonus, right? Now, the third app is called Inbox Dollars. And this is a pretty like famous or like popular one, I suppose. You will get a $5 sign up bonus. And as the name suggests, Inbox Dollars will pay you for opening and skimming emails and answering simple surveys. There is also a $5 sign up bonus. Inbox Dollars works on cash only system. So you don't have to worry converting points to cash or only being compensated in gift cards. Now they've actually paid out over 57 million to users that completed surveys over the last years. Now, by the way, you cannot actually cash out these $5 right away, just wanted to mention, but you can get your sign up bonus, right? After my initial $5 sign up bonus, I found that many of the surveys did not pay out a ton of money, which was a bit of a bummer. Nonetheless, clicking around and answering questions can still net you a couple of bucks an hour, which is better than nothing, right? So I'm not sure if this is the best app to start with, but at least you can try it, right? You don't have to, you can also use other ones. And because of that, let's just get into the next one, which is called Pinecone Research. The thing about many survey apps is that they can be a major suck of time for almost no reward. That's why I love Pinecone Research. Each survey pays a flat $3, and they will often match with you surveys that match your interests and demographics. With Pinecone, you will actually get $3, a flat $3 each time you complete one of these surveys. So that's a pretty good opportunity for you guys. Now let's get into the next one, which is going to be the fifth one. If you're still here, I appreciate you still watching this video. You're on your way to making money online basically. This won't be a lot, but it will certainly help you out, right? So the next one is called Raccoon, which is a pretty famous like company. This company is actually the sponsor of FC Barcelona. So this company is pretty big. They have a lot of money to spend. Now they will also get you a $10 sign up bonus. And then as you can see right there, you've probably heard about Raccoon before, formerly eBay before desktop, but they also have a mobile app. What I love about Raccoon is how easy it is to use and its generous payout policy. So you actually get a decent amount of money. Now this is actually a cashback app and receipt scanning app, right? So you won't you're not gonna make a lot of profit, but you can actually save some money with this. And keep in mind, you will also get a $10 sign up bonus. If you take advantage of special events, holidays, and promotions, you can earn up to 12% back in some cases. So let's say you're buying a shirt or a hoodie for like $50, you can actually get around $6 or $5, somewhere in between, back for purchasing, right? So you're gonna save some money with this, which is always good because you're spending that money anyway. Don't just download this app and then spend money, but download the app, buy what you're buying anyway, and then you will get your cash back. Now all you have to do is log into the app and search the retailer you would like to shop with. You'll go directly to their e-commerce store and start collecting rewards automatically when you buy. You have the option of redeeming those rewards as cash, gift cards, and PayPal deposit. So once again, you can get paid into your PayPal account with this, which is amazing. Now the cool thing is that this is on top of any discounts, coupon codes you already have, which is pretty cool. Now let's get into the next one. I'm just gonna skip this one since I've already shown this one in a lot of my videos, and I've also shown the Dosh app in a lot of my videos. If you're watching right now and you've never seen me or like watched one of my videos before, make sure you check out this app, the Dosh app, which is like working in the USA, and it's pretty awesome. You can get like $5 just for signing up and also by referring people, which is amazing. But for now, we're just gonna skip this. Let's get into the next one. Let's see if I can find another good one. Let's see if I can find one that's actually gonna help you guys. So this is one called Slidejoy. Once again, I've shown this on a video before. Just gonna show it once again. Slidejoy belongs on this list because it's without a doubt one of the easiest money making apps out there. I'm not saying this because it's gonna make you rich. It won't, but it will make you a cool $5 to $15 per month. So right now you probably want to know, how does it work? So upon turning your phone, you will view an aesthetically pleasing ad on your lock screen. Then you will have a choice to ignore the ad by sliding right and unlocking your phone. You will also have the choice to engage with the ad by sliding left. So upon sliding left, the phone will unlock and you will be directed to a destination specified by the advertiser. Now YouTube advertiser website, let's see, Google Play, coupon page, etc. So pretty much how this works is you will download this app and they will show ads on your lock screen. And once you actually click on that by like sliding left, I suppose, you will get some money, right? And you will also get money just for having it installed, just for having these ads on your lock screen. Now this could be kind of like an annoying way to make money online, but if you don't mind, then you can use this. It's called Slidejoy. You can download it on Android and also on iOS. And yeah, that's pretty much what this app is about. And by the way, they're cashing, like they pay out in PayPal money. So you can cash out with PayPal and also several gift cards, right? And you can also donate it to charity, which is a pretty cool thing to do as well. But if you're here to make money yourself, then you can do that as well, just by using PayPal and other gift cards. Now right now, we're gonna get into the next category, so money making apps that pay you for simple tasks. These are some of my favorite apps on this list, simply because they require some hustle. If you are willing to put in some time, like downloading these apps and doing the work, they can pay serious dividends, right? So for this, you have Uber Eats. We're just gonna skip that one because I don't think it's gonna work for a lot of you. Lyft is also not gonna work for a lot of you. This one, let's see if I can find a good one actually. So that's kind of disappointing because I'm not gonna cover these. I don't think that a lot of you can actually drive a car and just be a taxi, I guess. So I'm just gonna skip these and then we'll get into the next, which is best money making apps for selling stuff. Now this could actually help some of you out, I know. So let me just skip Airbnb and Declutter. Let's just show this one. So OfferUp is the most convenient and flexible selling app I've ever used. You can list your items just like on Craigslist, but buyers have profiles you can check out. Plus, if you don't want to meet up with strangers, you can opt to ship your items to them instead and get paid with PayPal. So with this, you can actually list anything, to be honest. Like, take a look around you. You might have some stuff that you're never using in your home, just chilling. Now you can put that up on this app and you will get paid PayPal money if someone actually wants to buy that, right? So if you're watching this right now, just think about stuff that you're not using, but you still have like chilling around. Then you can just sell that on this app and then pretty much see if anyone is actually interested in buying this, right? Now, this is actually nationwide. With this option, you may be wondering if you could sell nationwide and not just locally. The answer is yes, which is pretty awesome. Now this is actually a game changer, as you can see right there, which is true because you're gonna get way more people that might be interested in your item, right? Now that's OfferUp. Once again, you can just click on these links and they will bring you to the app. I will leave a link to this like website, Dollarsprout, in the comment section, which is pretty cool, so you can actually check that out yourself. Now if I scroll down, let's see if I can actually find some more informational and like good apps that you can start using. So it doesn't look like it. So that's kind of it, guys. I've shown you a lot of apps. Now to be honest, don't go out there and just try all of these. Make sure you just choose one and focus on that. Now you can use one of these. You can literally use any of these apps that I just showed you. Now once again, if you're from the USA, I would actually recommend the Dosh app, which is pretty cool. But like I said, you can literally choose anyone. And by the way, make sure you go check out this website. And once again, I'm not getting paid for saying this, but this is just an amazing website if you want to get started with making money online, right? You can even do money management on here. You can make a budget, like you can learn how to do that, but you can also click on make money and then you can choose any of these, right? So if you're looking for $100 fast, you can click on this and then they're gonna give you 31 creative ways to make money fast. If you scroll down, you can see all of these, right? So I might actually cover this in one of my upcoming videos. Let me know if you want me to do that. I can just go over these topics, right? Passive income, online jobs, and then I will just get you a summary of the best jobs out there that you can start using to make money online. But for now, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you leave a like. I put in some work into this video, so I would appreciate that. And also, if you're new on the channel, make sure you actually subscribe because I'm posting daily videos just like this one about making money online. Once again, if you're interested in that, this would be the right channel for you. Now that's it for now, guys. I hope you have a fantastic day. Peace out.